Today's lecture we're going to be talking about the first software of computer, which is MS Windows. So we're going to start MS Windows program, and this is the first program of computer. So first of all, we have to know the definition of computer. Then after that, we're going to be talking about the softwares and programs of computer. Let's suppose, what is computer? The simple definition of computer is an electronic machine which is mostly used for calculation purpose, right? This is the simple definition of computer. So next, then computer is divided into two parts. The first one is hardware, and the second we're having is software. So what is hardware? All the physical parts of computer, which is seen and touchable are called hardware. Let's suppose like keyboard, mouse, and many more. These are the physical parts of computer. And what is software? All the logical parts of computer, which is seen but cannot be touchable, are called software. Let's suppose MS Office, when we're Excel accessing, these are all software. And like in graphic designing, we're having Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and many more. They're all like softwares, right? Which we can see but we cannot touch them, are called software. Now let's talk about MS Windows. What is MS Windows program? So MS stands for Microsoft. M means micro, S means soft. Microsoft is the name of a company which is located in America. The owner of Microsoft company is Bill Gates, and this company produces computer software, right? So MS represents the name of a company. So what is Windows by itself? Windows is an operating system. Windows is an operating system which runs the computer hardware. So we can say also like the soul of computer is Windows. Without Windows, computer is useless, right? So everything that run in our computer is by the help of MS Windows. So now let's move to the interface of computer. This whole page is called desktop, and then we're having the picture. This picture we're calling wallpaper, right? And here we're having icons, and this is called start button. When we click on this one, this is called start menu. These are running tasks. And these are information area, or we can also say like notification area. And this all information is called task bar. Task means this information, bar means line. So now let's talk about left and right button. What's the difference between left and right button which we are having in the mouse? So left button mostly we use like if you want to open folders, video, pictures, or for action buttons, so we use left button. Let's suppose if you want to open a file, then we use left button. Double click on the file, it will open. If you want to close, so click on this one, left once, it will close, right? So for these actions we mostly use left button. When you press the right button, we're having here a menu. This menu is named by pop-up menu, P-O-P-U-P, pop-up menu. So the first task we're having is view, and here we're having option. The first one is large icon. Large means enormous, huge. Icon means this. Whenever you are going to click on this one, press left button. So here are the icons. If you want to use this size, medium, so you are having this one. And if you want to use small icon, here you are. But mostly we are going to use medium, right? Next we are having auto arrange icon. Auto means automatically arrange icon. Let's suppose I'm going to uncheck this by the help of left button. Now here we don't have any checkbox. If you want to move this, so press left button on this and then move. Press left button on this and then move. You can move these icons, right? So now it is disarranged. So if you want to arrange this automatically, so you have to click on this one. Just click, here you are, right? If this option is checked, so now you can move this one. You cannot move this one. Now if you leave the option, it will go back automatically to its own self. So here you are having auto arrange icons. Next we have align icons to grid. Whenever you are going to use this option, so you have to uncheck this one. Uncheck the first option, so we're having this one. So now you have the ability to move this icon from one place to another, right? But you cannot even like send this one near to one another. Like here we're having by default space. You cannot move this to one another. So now view and uncheck this one. Now you can do that. Let's suppose look, move, you can move this one, right? Now look, it will go near one by one like this one. If you want to check on this one, so we're having by default space. Now you cannot move this to one another like this one, right? I'm going to check this one as well to set as a default. Next we have show desktop icon. Now we're having the icons. I'm going to uncheck to hide all for temporary base. If you want to show, so just check, here you are. So this was our today's lessons. From tomorrow inshallah we're doing sort refresh in these all in ascending form inshallah.